This is Rodriguez from Roosevelt Elementary School, and today we're going to do another science experiment. Before we get started, there's two things I want you to know. First, rain clouds, they appear gray to us because of how thick and how tall they are. The thicker and the taller they are, the less light that can shine through, which makes them darker and seem gray to us. Secondly, the more water droplets that collect in a rain cloud make it heavier. The heavier it gets, the less water it can hold, and eventually it will start to rain. Now, let's get started. Here's some things that you're going to need before we get started if you're wanting to do this at home. First, you're going to need a can of shaving cream and some blue food coloring. You'll also need a large glass or plastic see-through cup filled with water. You'll pour the shaving cream on top, and then you'll drop food coloring drops one at a time until the cloud gets too heavy where it can't hold the water, or in this case, the food coloring, anymore, and then it will start to rain. Let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to take the food coloring and you're going to open it, and you're going to pour drop by drop into the cloud until it can't hold it anymore. And you can go ahead and move it all the way around. So kind of like a cloud, the shaving cream can hold some moisture, but eventually it'll get too heavy and it'll find its way through and fall to the bottom. Just like clouds, sometimes the clouds are really thick and can hold more water than others. So just like the water in the cloud, it gets too heavy and the cloud can't hold it anymore. The shaving cream can't hold the food coloring, and now you can see it's starting to fall down to the bottom, just like rain would in a real cloud. All right, you guys are more than welcome to try this at home, but remember, if you're doing a science experiment, you should always ask an adult in your world first and make sure you have their approval and that you can do it.